Happy 1000th machine, Coin Cloud. So proud of this team and everything we've accomplished. Just so thankful for each and every one of you here. I'm so proud to be a part of this, and I'm in number 26 if anybody needs me. And thank you all.
This place is crazy. I've never 1 minute regretted doing any of this. Many jobs I've gone to just dreading the day, but this place is much, much different. It's crazy.
This gives me fulfillment, you know, to come in every day and we're working towards something greater than ourselves.
I'm so thankful and grateful for Chris for allowing me to come here and be here with this, because this is a journey that I want to say, I'm getting emotional for you, Chris. But coming here and not having anything makes me feel great.
I just want to say it's been a great opportunity to work with Coin Cloud, because it was in a very dark place before I started working for Coin Cloud, and I would almost literally say saved my life. So I want to shout out to Coin Cloud. Thank you guys for the opportunity.
It's really amazing journey, you know, and we've grown so much. Hope we grow into 10,000, 20,000, 100,000.
It's hard to believe our team is like 18 strong now, and we're doing incredible. So thank you guys.
I started working at Coin Cloud, and it's been the greatest 2 years of my life. Like, this has been an amazing time.
I've almost been here for a year, and it's the best decision I have ever made in my life. I really love working here. Just seeing how much we've grown. I think we were at 300 machines when I first started, so now we're at 1,000, and it's because of all of you.
I'm so appreciative of what you guys have given me. You've given me hope when I didn't have an inkling of that. So at 30, this is what I get. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
But it's been a fabulous trip, and I hope to spend the next 15 years here and retire from Coin Cloud. Thanks all.
We're not really coworkers, and I always tell people that. Like, we love making new friends because we're not really coworkers. We are really a family, and we are a group of friends. You talk to anybody here, and you just pick up a conversation with them. We all have an interpersonal connection, and it's great. I love it.
Very rewarding to see how much the company has grown in like literally no time. But I love all of you guys. You're so cute in your Coin Cloud shirts. Cheers to 1,000 machines.
This has been probably one of the best years of my life when it comes to helping grow a company, being part of a company and being part of a family. This is the first guy I've worked with who finishes my sentences and I finish his. It's really an amazing, amazing experience. And while I thank Chris for helping us get to 1,000, I thank you all for everything you do every day. It's a special place to be.
To see what it's grown into, I would have never imagined the amazing people that are here every day, and to hear all these stories and sort of the leaps of faith that each and every one of you had to make to be here. Thank you for making this happen. It's all you guys, really. One machine down, and you guys made the rest happen. So.